Ngibingelela bazalwane everywhere labakhona la bazuzo imessage le bakhona. Lo khulumayo igama lami mina ngu-Enigma, brother Enigma la eGauteng, South Africa. Bazalwane, mina I have revelations from the Lord Jesus. Ungithumile anginikeze imessage lokuthi simabandleni siwetshela abazalwane izinto ezenzakalayo ezulwini nangasezihogweni nangasemanzini, Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, la ama-devil worshipper ahlangana khona, la ama-devil worshipper ayenza impahla khona, bayenzela thina, bayenza impahla ngase-Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, impahla eziningi zama-fashion, then baziletha la emhlabeni zizongena izitolo lempahla lezi kubo Jet, Edgar's, Mr. Price, what, Identity, all these shops la kuthengiswa khona impahla. Some of these fashion clothes ziphuma ngasemanzini, they belong to the devil. UJesu athi these are the product of Jezebel.